They say it's not the camera, but the photographer that makes a great image. So what actually happens when you take experienced photographers and give them entry-level or outdated gear? Get ready to find out. I'm going head-to-head with photographers with inexpensive photography equipment that we normally wouldn't use. This is the Budget Photography Gear Shootout. This video is sponsored by Canon and Canon printers. Pump the jams.
Are we doing it? All right. Yeah. Oh.
This is Vanessa Joy. You are watching Budget Photography Gear Shootout, and I got this loudmouth Brooklynite Italian/Lebanese with me.
Yeah.
Sal Cincotta.
It's not good.
It's not good. This camera that we're shooting with today, the Canon EOS 10D, was both of our first digital SLR cameras. So when's the last time you held one of these?
It has been a very long time. Big, bulky. Wow, on this LCD screen. Oh.
Yeah, but better yet, turn it on. Yeah.
No, don't tell me. Okay. Wow.
Now, watch how long it takes to turn it on.
Oh my gosh.
Now try press and play.
Oh wait, it's busy.
Wait,
it says
busy.
it's busy.
Mm-hmm.
It's got
No, it's not ready. It's still not focused. No, you can't go that fast. You can't go that fast.
I'm not ready for this.
Do you want to go first? Do you want me to?
I don't think I want to go first.
Okay.
No, I'm scared right
Okay.
now of everything.
All right.
But I do know how to take the lens cap off. So we're set. Yeah. Oh! Oh! 7 focus points.
Yeah, and guess how many work?
What is this, defect?
No, but everyone knows that only the center weighted one really works.
Oh, that's true. So are you going to focus recompose? Oh no, that's so bad. The only challenge is to get something in focus.
Maybe.
Nothing else matters. Composition doesn't matter. Subject matters.
Well, subject matters because we have Chelsea Dawn and she is looking pretty hot today. So
yeah, Chelsea's looking good.
Chelsea's looking good.
Yeah.
I'm going to photograph first then. This is
Okay.
the first time I photograph first. I usually make everyone else photograph first while I sit there and heckle.
Oh.
Yeah.
So do I get to heckle you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's going to be so much fun.
All right, let's go.
Because I lose to you every time. Is this judged?
Here's the rules. Each photographer will shoot to their heart's content, and then it's time for editing and printing. After seeing our printed photos, it's up to you to determine which photographer's photo you like best. All right, let's do it.
So Chelsea, whatever you do, just remember, we have a common thread, Midwest, right? She's
not voting. You can't sabotage.
No, I just, yeah. No,
I'm paying
just
her.
save the best look.
I'm on her side.
What the? Isn't it funny how far technology has come?
Oh, yeah. Love this, Chelsea. It looks great. Oh, it's doing something because it's not letting me do anything else. Oh, it says EOS. Oh my God, will it die on us? That's the only shot we're gonna get. Oh, wait, it's good. Oh, wow, it's still writing. Why can't I take another picture? This is crazy.
Do you remember the cameras when they were using the 3.5-inch floppy? Do you remember those?
No, all right, I'm
Did I
getting
just date myself on how
I
old
think it's
I am?
just restarting because it's like having a moment.
Chelsea, you're not supposed to be jumping in on the heckling, and she is. She's totally trash talking me.
Yep, so I can trash talk too.
All right, I restarted, I pulled the battery out because it wasn't doing that. It was shooting a little faster. All right, let's see. All right, take 2. Yeah, do that. Gorgeous. Come back a little bit towards the fence so that you can hang on to it. Yeah, and then like scoot your butt back towards it and then mess around like with your hand position, yeah.
Love that.
So he tries to heckle me and then he's like, oh yes, do that. Beautiful. Awesome, I love these full lengths. I'm gonna come closer. I just love photographing close. I think that's just my thing. Just want in your face. Still kind of do that and like come towards me. Yes. And let's bring that hand in, like maybe here. Yeah, or here, try here. Can't like just keep shooting because you don't have that much like, you know, speed.
Each shot has to count. It's like
Yeah,
back in the
like
days
so
of
much
film.
more. Beautiful, love that, nice. Yes, love that shoulder back like that. I keep forgetting to check because I'm so used to like what you see is what you get.
There is no viewfinder there.
No. All right.
But while you're waiting for that to write, I feel like we should take a moment to just celebrate the Vanessa Joy shooting pose.
What's that?
It's a little bit of this.
Really?
Yeah, no, I mean, you guys know she's
I
doing
thought I
she
did
does
this.
it. No, it wasn't that. It wasn't this. It was this. Ass out. I'm just saying. I'm gonna shoot like that. Maybe I'll win this. Maybe I'll win.
Maybe.
If I
right,
appeal to the sexual side of everybody.
This way a little bit. There it is. Now we got some hair light on you. Beautiful. Awesome. So you stay there. Gonna get a couple more full bodies, and then I'm handing this to you, Sal.
All right.
All right. I think I'm happy. I think I got something good. I think I overexposed that last shot, so one more. Great. Much better. All right. Much better for me. You were amazing every time. Now I'm gonna mess up all my settings.
Yeah, delete them. That was awesome. You did good. All right. So, a couple of things.
You like how I messed up those settings, huh?
You really did mess up those settings. You spun it up to F22.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right. I'm not falling for your trickery here. Let's see what this is looking like right here. Oh my God.
It's looking like, oh my God.
It really is bad. Okay, here we go. Okay, even that click feels different.
It
right?
does. It feels good though. That's a nice click.
Okay, so what I really do like, if we talk through it, and I know people try to watch this and learn, is wardrobe and color are also as important as focal length and everything else, right? So we've got this really kind of high key area, and then that red is gonna pop off. So I love this white wall. So I'm gonna work with this, not to copy Vanessa, but I wanna slide this out of the way. I wanna shoot something wide here. So I'm seeing things a little bit different. So on this, what do we got? So we got a 50mm lens. I'm gonna have you booty back on the wall. And what I'm trying to do is shoot this kind of wide shot, right? So your body and everything's popping off, but you gotta kind of stay flush on that wall. So let butt back. Yep, I love that. Love the way you're looking. But what I don't wanna have you do is lean back into that wall, because then I'll lose you. I want you at me, right? So let's work with that. Let's start vertical here.
I'm already intimidated by the fact that it got a lower angle.
You got to show her off, man. Serious question though.
Press
what
play.
ISO are we shooting at?
You got to press ISO on the top. Fire. Yep.
Oh, okay, so we're at least 200. Well, I love that. I love that. Stay there with it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Stay there with that look, that side look. So actually, what I want to do here, even though we're using the same lens, is I want to get different perspective. Stay there. Let me see. Keep your body, shoulders there. Love that. I'm at your waist, but let me get your face going this way. Yes, love that. Stay there, stay there, stay there. Stay there. Now I'm going to get super close. Well, I'm moving focus points, Vanessa. You're not ready for this.
I'm not ready for this, but
go.
you're not ready for them to be all out of focus because you're not using the
No, I don't want to hear about that. That's such negativity. All right, so here we go. Get back against that wall. Booty back. One leg up. Climb the wall like you were doing before. I like it. It's like acrobatics. Ooh, that's smoking. Let's take that right hand, put it on your hip. Love that. Looking down this direction while you're up. Boom, down here. Love that. Pull that hair back. Love that. Eyes on me. Beautiful, beautiful. Good. Now let's put that leg back. Let's get into a power pose. Yep, love that. Pop that hip, bam. And I know everybody's watching like, why am I so heavy-handed in the way I direct? Because I'm watching her angles. She's got beautiful angles, but depending on where I'm standing, I am, or she's looking, it can look better or worse. So I'm gonna get this one. So what I'm trying to get here is more of a wider shot. I'd love to see what it looks like, but that could take a minute reading this memory card. So
exactly.
The way I'm trying to work is tight, middle, wide, right? I want to have a variety of shots for her, and with one focal length, you just have to do the moving. There's no zooming on any of that. All right, I want to mix up one more thing, then my time is over. Let's see if we can work with some hard light. So I want to take this shadow coming into you, and I want to have you kind of like right here. And I'm going to see if that's hitting your face. I'm probably going to have you looking up into that, but you're going to be here.
Look at that.
Go straight back,
line.
butt, straight back. Yes, love what you're doing with that leg. Get that up here, and then let that knee collapse. Can we get this here? No, yeah. That, I love this, love this. Let me see, eyes up. Right there. Oh, hold that for me. Move this focus point. Love that. Stay there. Yeah, go booty back first. Yep, there we go. Yeah, get that one leg up, and then you're gonna be looking up in that sun. There we go. Hang tight, I'm moving focus points. Love that. Butt back, don't matter what you do. Love it, right there, killer. Perfect, I'm done.
You good? All right.
Good job. That is insanity.
Yeah, let's put it on the computer.
That we used to work this way.
Yeah, let's put it on the computer.
All right.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna zoom these in a little bit so the people can see. Ooh, that's fast. All right, this is mine. This is me overexposed first because I thought I was looking through electronic viewfinder.
Shit, I may have screwed mine up. I didn't trust the camera because the LCD was so dark. Yeah. Well, at least we're in RAW, right?
We are in RAW. Not that it has the leeway that, RAW today does, I don't think.
Dude,
That's not in focus.
Dunny.
That's in focus. I'll take that. That's a favorite. You can press 1 when you have favorites.
Okay.
She looks so good.
Stunning.
Chelsea, you look so good, Chelsea. I might like that stuff. Yeah, I moved, but yeah.
Go back. That's killer.
She's great. Oh, look at that face.
Mm-hmm.
Good expression. And then I did like that.
That's cool composition.
Right? The
No,
composition.
you just crop it a little differently. Pull
Yep.
in the sides there.
Yep, get rid of the green.
Yep. If you look at that, right, you've got 4 quadrants
Yeah.
in that shot. And that actually becomes interesting, and there's certain things, like some people are purists, some people don't like to edit or anything like that. But like that vent or light up there, I would get rid of in post-production. And
probably extend that white.
and I would
right
extend
there,
that
'cause
white.
it's
I mean,
distracting.
you got to use the tools that are available. We obviously can't here in real life fix that, but I mean, this is a pretty strong image straight out of camera, and then you just clean it up. I mean, but I like that. I actually like the crop you had on that, where it was like it was up at her thigh.
Yep.
I think
I
that's
like that
strong.
too.
Yeah.
And then that's it. And then we're to you, because there's your foot.
There's my foot.
All
My
right.
foot signals
Let me-
that we got it. So you see, this I took that first frame and it is underexposed. That's mostly because the older camera, the metering is, you could see the difference there. So I had to start overexposing to get what I wanted.
Were you in manual?
No, I was not. I went to
Oh,
aperture priority.
did you?
Yeah, I
Okay,
never shoot
okay.
manual unless I'm in studio.
I shoot manual almost all the time.
It just takes too
And
long.
I think it's my ADD. I like to move things.
Yeah, I'm okay not moving things and focusing on her. So
Is
can
that
I
focus?
go? I don't know.
That's your zoom right there.
Okay, let's
If
see.
you click on it.
I just want to. I kind of
Find a
get it.
fave first.
Yeah, let me find a fit. Ooh, see, I like this kind of wonky composition. What is this, 1?
Yeah.
So what do? Just hit.
Hit that zoom right there. Yep.
I really like that a lot. It's just different
do too.
composition. I like that negative space.
There we go.
All right, let's keep going. All right, hold
Maybe
on.
do a little
Oh,
dodge.
no, this is my style right
There
here.
it is.
I
Yep.
like this high, because now her colors,
There.
that's nice. It's very nice. All right, let's see. How do we zoom? I want to make sure. I was moving the focus point, so I wasn't focus recomposing at 1/8. That's a nightmare, but
That is soft, my friend.
that is not even close to in focus.
Nope, but at 1:1, like that's your 6.3 megapixel
if you,
size right
If you
there.
look
All
at
right.
it from really far away, it's in focus. Yeah. If you don't look closely, it's in
I
focus.
still like it.
Yeah, I like it.
still look good
I
on
like it too.
Instagram.
Yeah, on Instagram, everything looks good, don't it?
I like these.
Yeah, these came
and I
out.
think these will be more in focus because this relied on contrast focusing, and you've got more contrast
Yeah.
here, right? Kind of pull it up past the 1:1.
Yep, that's usable.
Yep, usable for sure.
Very usable. These are 6 megapixel.
6.3 megapixels,
Solid,
baby.
solid guys. There we go, there we go, there we go. Like that.
Okay, this was past your baloney.
I know,
This
but it's
oh,
there.
So you took
but
some extra shots.
it's there.
Yeah,
It
so you
should be
might as well-
used.
I like that.
Yeah, this one.
Yep.
I think I'm gonna like better when she looks away. Pull that hair back. No.
No,
I think
the one
you're
before.
right. One before.
No, I liked your hair pulled back.
You did
Yeah.
on this guy
But yeah.
there.
See, that would be fun to extend. Also.
Exactly.
Give
That's
that,
why
like,
So what I really, I don't want that 0.
Yeah.
Yeah. What I really wanted. That's fun though. Yeah.
These are all your extra shots, just for the record, people. These are the extras. These are not the competition photos. He's like, yes, they are.
I'm obsessed with this picture. This is
like
what I
this
wanted
one.
from the beginning. It's what I saw in my head.
Yep.
And for me, what I would end up doing on this shot is either cloning this out on the left where you see that kind of pillar, obviously straighten it, and probably edit out the metal on the ground that we tried to move. It just wasn't possible. But the reason I like it is the color pop. I see this as a high key picture, so make that wall super bright, make her pop off that wall, and she's got a beautiful, strong pose. So that and one of the tight shots, and I'd be happy with it.
All right, so that'll be your main shot, and then one of these tight shots.
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, it's hard.
That is hard. Shit. Keep going. Maybe I want to. I like that. I love her
that,
expression.
Right? All right, yeah, I think I'm gonna mess around with that one. I like the
Ooh,
look of these.
no, right there.
Right?
Yeah, her expression. Ooh.
Oh, but that one.
Damn it, she's so good.
I know, she is so good. All right, let's take away the. So those are your 2. I got narrow
why
down
do you got
to 2.
why do you have
Because
4?
I didn't pick yet. I didn't
Like,
finish.
it's her show. She
I
can
didn't
have 4.
finish.
You get 4. I get 1. 1 for you. 1, 2 for you.
All right, I'm gonna say this is, I don't know, too late maybe for like what I'm going for here. Like
You think?
with the whole,
No.
yeah, with the whole outfit and everything. I want a little bit more attitude. And I don't like this one because it's cutting at the elbows and it's killing me.
But it doesn't look good. I mean, that's cutting at the elbows too, but it works.
But
Here,
I'll crop that a little bit more.
okay, so it's
Yeah.
not at the joint.
Yeah. All right, so those are probably my two near two. All right, so let's edit these and then we are going to print them and then you can decide which ones you love. And I'm just saying, maybe you shouldn't count the one that didn't count. I'm just saying.
But I mean, yeah, I still took the picture. I didn't hear a buzzer go off. Did you?
All right, so here I am with my favorite 3 pictures here. I don't know which one I want for my final one. I do love this one a lot. Maybe in editing, I'll figure it out. So my problem, I do love this one. I love what's happening with her arms. I'm almost thinking like a black and white might look kind of amazing. Oh, I do like the black and white there. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching us shoot. Now it's time for the final process. And I do say final process. You know, in my wedding photography, I truly feel that my first job is to capture the story, but the rest of my job is to tell it, and that means printing it, whether it's in an album or like what we'll do today with individual prints. Now we're using the Canon Pixma Pro 200. This printer right now is $5.99, so you're getting a lot of quality out of a lesser price printer. We'll also be using Canon paper. I have a whole bunch of paper here. We've got premium rough, we've got more of a consumer-friendly matte photo paper, and then we have their premium matte photo paper as well as their premium luster photo paper. Some of them maybe I want to be this big, this 13 by 19. Some I'll put 2 on a page, but either way, let's get the printing. I'll choose papers based on the photos and what I think will look best when they print. Let's print. All right, so here are the 2 final prints from Sal and I. Now I chose different papers for these. For Sal's, I went with the premium luster, mostly because I know his style and I know he wants a little bit more pop, a little bit more shine to the images to make them more dramatic. Now my picture, I decided to go with the Pro matte paper. And this is, I just love the fact that I printed a black and white. You know, you can tell a lot about the quality of a printer when you print it with a black and white and notice if there's like a little bit hue of a color one way or the other. This printer has like, I'm pretty sure it's like black, dark gray, and light gray inks, so you're getting a true black and white. And then this is more of a faded black and white, so, you know, went for the matte paper and that helped emphasize it. These are the 2 final photos printed out. Go ahead and let me know which is your favorite. Vote in the comments. You know, leave some love, leave some hate. That's what we do here, but I hope you had a lot of fun looking at these budget photography shootouts. This one with me and Sal. Make sure you check out all the other ones here that we have on my channel. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, all the things.